Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we'll be showing you how to set up your online banking service for Ally Bank. But before we learn to do that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to leave a like on this video. So let's get started. So first you open up your browser, you go to Google, and then you type Ally Bank on the search bar, and then you enter, and then the first website, ally.com, is the official website for the bank. So you click on that link, and here on the top right in green you see the login option. You click on the login option, and so down here you have the option to enroll in auto or bank online services. So here we will enroll in the auto online services. So once you will click there, you'll be brought onto this page. So what you need to get started is the last 4 digits of your social security number or your tax ID number. You will also need your date of birth and your VIN or Hall ID or your account number. So once you have that, so you have to choose what kind of account you have. Is it an individual or a business account? You select the one that you have, and you will enter the last 4 digits of your social security number. You will enter your birth date in the format that's given here. And then you will enter your account number or your VIN ID number. So once you do that, you will click on next step. So after that, you will be setting up your online identity and profile, where you will need your email address, your phone number, and you will create a username and a password for your online account login. And you will also set up a few social security questions, just in case you forget your password for security reasons. And here you will have to agree to terms and conditions that the bank has laid out for the online transactions. So you will have to agree with the terms and conditions, and once you do that, you will be good to go, and you can now start your online banking process. So I hope this video helps you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. It's very easy to do this. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to hit the like button if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Bye.